Hello, welcome. My name is Matt Pohl. I'm the chef here at Igelösa Life Science. Today I'm joining you here from outside Igelösa. This is definitely one of the most important places in my life. It's not only where I come to work every day, it's also where I came to make changes in my health and my lifestyle. When I first came here over almost 15 years ago, I was at risk of a lot of diseases, and I was here talking with Professor Stig Steen and the rest of the doctors, nutritionists, researchers, and the whole team that I learned how to make the changes in my lifestyle to lead a healthier life. The things that they taught me are the same things as you always talk about within wellness. Things like including a larger variety of healthy vegetables and fruits into your diet on a daily basis. These different variety, the different colors, they provide different nutrients, vitamins, minerals your body needs. Along with all these different fantastic seasonal produce, it's also encouraged to eat whole intact grains at most meals instead of refined bread, pasta, white rice. So here we have some of the grains and ingredients we use here all the time at Igelösa. Whole oats grown in the fields around us, a millet, a grain that was commonly eaten in the Viking diet and during the Bronze Age that has great nutrition in it, black rice, and then even healthy protein from ingredients like lentils. And then also including more healthy fats in our diets from nuts, seeds, and ingredients like this. And the last thing that I was encouraged to do and that we encourage people here is to include the wellness products into their everyday life. When I was trying to lose the weight, I would take shakes in between each meal. I learned that by taking them between meals before I'd get hungry, it helped me fight off hunger and make it easier to control my appetite at meal times. With these simple adjustments in lifestyle, I've been able to take off weight. When I came here, I weighed over 150 kilos, and now I've been able to maintain a healthy lifestyle throughout this time. Here at Igelösa, of course, we drink natural balance shakes and recommend them to take by themselves, but also we try to create new exciting recipes on how to use them in various types of foods, including drinks and smoothies. So today, I have a very special recipe that's developed and being released for the first time for this event for all of you watching. When I'm developing these recipes, I usually find it easiest to find inspiration from the people close to me, the people I love. So today I'm giving you a recipe based on a smoothie that I make for my daughter almost every day. It's based on all the foods that she needs as she grows and develops, the foods that us adults need, and as we get older and age, things that help our body and our immunity system so we can live happy, long, healthy lives. Her smoothie that she always has has different kinds of fruits in it. We know that she needs whole grains to help her feel full, but also the nutrition that's in them. So we always include some sort of whole grain in it and some healthy fats. So her nickname is Cherry, so today I share with you the recipe for the shake for my Cherry. We start off with 2 deciliters, 200 milliliters of soy milk or low-fat milk or almond milk or whatever it is you like, or you can start with just plain water. Just make sure whatever you take is no sugar added. They put a lot of sugar in a lot of these milk alternatives, so make sure whatever you use is without added sugar, just plain. We're going to take half of a banana. This will give it body, it'll give it a creaminess. For our whole grains, you can take whatever it is you like. We actually, instead of taking dry grains like oatmeal, we like to take the extra grains that we have left over from cooking, from dinner or something like that. So today we're taking some whole grain millet. Again, millet, it's a great whole grain. We use it a lot here at Igelösa. It's allergy free. It has some great chemicals inside of it. There's some great compounds that are good for your hair health. It's great that it's also mostly neutral in flavor, so it's easy to sneak in, especially like we do for kids. So we're gonna take a half deciliter of that millet, just add that in there. To get some good healthy fats in there, we have about a teaspoon of some sunflower seeds. I've roasted these, but you can just use plain ones. We take about 10 cherries. Right now it's cherry season, so they're really fresh, sweet, and delicious. When it's out of season, I use frozen cherries. Works just as well. And last, but of course not least, 1 scoop of Natural Balance Shake vanilla flavored. Just put all those in your blender. You can use it in a glass and a stick blender or a handheld blender also if you want. And then we just let it go. And enjoy. So I've shared with you my recipe, my inspiration, but we always try to challenge consultants and give them the opportunity to create their own recipes based off their own inspiration. We know that flavors from all the different regions within Oriflame around the world have different taste preferences. So we ask you always, please create your own idea based on your own likes, your family's likes, something that really sparks something you want to drink, and share that with your fellow consultants around the world. So today we'll do just that. We have a recipe from one of the consultants, one of the leaders from the Ukraine. It's a recipe when we tried out. It was fantastic, delicious, beautiful day like this. Nothing could be more refreshing than a watermelon explosion. It's a simple, quick recipe, comes together in just a couple minutes. We're going to start off. We have about 500 milliliters of chopped up watermelon in big pieces. You don't have to chop it really small. It's going to get taken down into liquid really quickly in the blender. So we're going to put it in here. And also this 500 milliliters chopped up is going to turn into about 300 milliliters after it's been blended down. So it's just this, 1 scoop of protein blend. And we're going to take a squeeze of fresh lime juice or lemon juice in there as well. And that's it. Serve that ice over some cold ice. And a little sprig of fresh mint. And nothing could be so refreshing. That's fantastic. We appreciate these recipes coming from all of you this year, and we look forward to more fantastic, delicious, amazing, inspirational recipes coming from all of you next year when we meet again. Thank you.